Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Very Inspired channel. So, today, what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to set up a Photoshop file in the correct manner. Okay, so if you haven't opened up Photoshop already, please do click the Photoshop icon. By the way, this is Photoshop CS6. It's a bit of an older version, but all the files are, when you set up the new Photoshop file, it is very similar. So once you open up Photoshop, sometimes the what do you call the setup bar is it? So this taskbar will come up automatically. But if you haven't, what you need to do is just click on File and click on New Document. And then what we're going to do in the first section is rename our file. So we're going to put here File Setup, File Set Up Tutorial. Okay, so next tab you have is called the custom tab. So this is, for example, if you are working on specific dimensions. So, for example, say you are working on even this section. Sorry, I forgot to mention is you can choose from pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, and columns. So, for example, let's say inches. The width is we will go with, for example, say maybe 8 8 inch is by maybe 10 inch, so 10 by 8. Okay, and you can also change this section here, inches or centimeters. Okay, and the next section is called resolution. So this is resolution is how much pixels per inch we have. So 300 is the normal default one, which got very high resolution. But if you are going to be using more internet based and you want to reduce it, you can also go ahead with 72. That's for digital kind of art, but 300 is okay. And then we got the color mode. Color mode, for example, this is bitmap. I'm not too sure what that is. Grayscale is is where you work in black and white. So the whole document will be black and white. The next one is RGB color. So this one is mainly for digital art. So if you're going to be doing, for example, NFTs, or if you're going to be designing digital art, then this is the one you have to choose. And if you are going to physically print something which you're designing, like for example, so you can design like a T-shirt and you want them specific colors, then this is the best one to go ahead with CMYK color. Because for printing, if you choose the RGB color, sometimes the color which is portrayed on the screen will not come on your printing. So to not to be upset with the final printing result, this is the best thing to go ahead with CMYK color. So we're just gonna go with RGB color for now. Okay, and this also you can just leave it as is. The more bigger bits you choose, you can see, look, this 20 MB file here. If you go to 16, it doubles the size, and 32 equals even double that. So if we can just leave it at 8-bit, okay. The next section is background content. So what do you want the background layer to be? Do you want it to be white, or you want a specific background color? So if I was to choose background color, it will go to this blue because this is the last color which I used, or the last whichever color is in the palette last or in here. That would be the background color. And transparent is if you can have a transparent background. Okay, so we're just gonna go with white for now, and then just leave this as it is, color profile. Okay, because it gets a bit technical around here. So so sorry, what did I click now? So this is the RGB color. Where was it again? This the one. Sorry, this one. So this is the one we had before. And then square pixels, leave that is as it is. Click OK, and we are done. We get our file here. And by the way, if we want to if you want to also, for example, I forgot to mention this. You got the you can choose default sizes already. For example, say you want to design something on A4, it's already here, A4 size. You got A5 size here, A3 size, whatever size you want, you can choose here as well. So for example, here we're just gonna leave everything as it is here, and click OK, and you get A4 size here. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Kept it short and sweet, so hope you benefit from this. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe.